Hey everyone, I wanted to share some insight with you guys today. Over the last week or so, I've had a lot of conversations with clients, friends, family, relatives about how they're approaching the recent market volatility. And it's most common that just the gut instinct is to ride the market. While I agree that is the correct approach for many people, it is not the best approach for other people. And I think a lot of people just don't even know that there is another approach. So we talk a lot at Active Wealth about tactically investing in the market. We also talk a lot about safe money investments. So safe money investments are those that are principal protected, meaning that you don't have any of the market downside while you still have the earning potential on the market upside. And I want to paint like a picture with some really round numbers here, and hopefully that will help to emphasize the benefits of those safe money products, and help you understand if it is the better of the two options for yourself. So let's say that hypothetically Susie and John had $100,000 in their 401k or their IRA. Well, they just lost 30% in the market, hypothetically, and now they have $70,000. Their current portfolio has an annualized return of 5%. So over the last 10 years, on average, the portfolio has returned 5%. There's been higher years and lower years, but we're just looking at the average so we know what to expect in the long run for their future earnings. With that 5%, it would take this couple 10 years to get back to $100,000. So it would actually be $105,000 because 5% of 70,000 is 3,500. So they had 100,000, they lost 30,000, they have 70,000. Over the next 10 years, their projected earnings based on the past 10 years average earnings would be $35,000, which gets them to $105,000, 10 years. Versus if you're invested in a principal protected product, that $100,000 that you invested would still be $100,000 right now because they ensure that you cannot go below zero. So which one's right for you? Do you know what principal protected products are available to you? And which one makes you feel better in times like this? It's really important to understand those things. And if you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. You can just send us a message or leave a comment on this video. Thanks.